I've been with Star Service for 13 years. I grew up in this area. I started off in our New Orleans office, then came back to the area where I call home. Star Service has been here for over 20 years. We're not new to the area, but we recently just built this new building. Well, it became real obvious because of the growth we experienced and that we needed to expand. We're not a publicly owned company like some of the bigger outfits in the area, so we can really move fast and invest into the equipment and make local decisions that benefit the customer. So we invest into the equipment when we start a contract. We're not worried about short-term gains. We look at the long-term relationship, doing the right thing for the customer. We know if we follow our process and have these systems running better than they've never run before, then the dividends will pay off down the road. The most gratifying reason for working at Star Service is to know that we can truly do the best job for the customer and do the right thing for the customers. It's very convincing and very easy to get everybody pulling in the right direction when you can simply make decisions based on the customer's need. And that's simple, just do the right thing. We have a major piece of equipment that's failed. We only started this contract for 6 months and you have a $100,000 chiller go out. What do? We do the right thing for the customer. That makes it really easy. It builds the culture that this company has built over the years, and it creates great pride for everyone working in the organization.